In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate subitems and sequence subitems in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable way to generate and order subitems automatically so your process runs the same way every time. Start on your Monday.com homepage. From here, open workspaces to see where your boards live, then choose the workspace you want to work in. If you don't already have a board set up for this process, click the plus icon and create a new board. Otherwise, open the board you'll be automating. Keeping everything in the right workspace and board makes sure your automation lands exactly where your team expects it. Inside the board, look to the top for the automate option and open it. This is your hub for building rules that do the busy work for you. Click Create to start a new automation. You can either create from scratch or browse ready-made recipes. If you're not sure which logic to use, browsing is a great way to start with a proven setup and then adjust it to your needs. Use the search bar and type Subitems. This filters the library so you can focus on templates designed to create or organize subitems. Find a recipe that aligns with your goal of generating subitems and putting them in a specific order. For example, when a new item is added, automatically create a set of subitems in the order you prefer. Click Use Template to load it. The template will prompt you for a few details. Fill in the placeholders it asks for, such as the subitem names or any fields that define the order. Clear naming helps you and your teammates recognize the sequence at a glance. If the template offers options like owners, dates, or status defaults, set those now to keep your workflow consistent across items. When everything looks right, click Create Automation to finalize it. From now on, whenever the trigger in that board occurs, often when a new item is created, Monday.com will automatically generate the subitems and apply the sequence you defined. This removes manual setup, reduces mistakes, and ensures every item follows the same playbook. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Confirm you're building the automation in the correct board, especially if your account has similar board names. If your board already had automations, double check there aren't overlapping rules that could duplicate subitems. Finally, keep your permissions and share settings in mind so teammates can see and benefit from the new automation. That's it, your subitems are now automated and consistently sequenced, ready to keep your work moving.